go Temple 2.0. Instead, Jesus showed up and he introduced something brand new. It's called the Jesus model. And here's what the Jesus model introduced. It didn't introduce a sacred place. It introduced a new covenant, a new command, a new ethic, and a new movement. Now here's the thing you got to understand. When we talk about a new covenant, what we mean is Jesus introduced a brand new way for us to relate to God, a brand new way for us to be in a relationship with God. For example, when Jesus was sitting with his disciples at the Last Supper and he was like celebrating the Passover just before his death and his arrest, he said something to these Jewish disciples that were following him and had been following him for 3 years that was absolutely shocking to these guys. See, they believed up until this point that for their sins to be covered or atoned for with God, they needed to go to the temple, that sacred place, and offer like an animal sacrifice. So they had to go to the sacred place,